Hello from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Mercedes E-Class here on a 2009 plate. I'm just going to show you how to reset the service light on this. I've basically done an MOT and full service on this. I'm going to show you what I need to reset if you come in. Now if I switch the ignition on the display there inside, you'll see service B is due. Next service B3 is due in 10 days. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset that. So switch the ignition off. Put the keys into key position 1, so one click only. Once you've done that, make sure you've got a miles displayed, and then you press the call button. Press the call button and immediately press OK. So if I press the call button, immediately press OK. Keep hold of it. Now on the inside there, you've got the vehicle data, roller test, assist plus. So I'm going to use these arrow buttons right here to scroll down to assist plus. So if I scroll down to assist plus, press OK. Then I'll go down to full service. I scroll down all the way, confirm. So 1 second, let me just show you what it is. Right, that's confirmed. So I'll press OK. So the grade that I've used is 22951. So I'm going to scroll down to that. Press yes. Confirm again. So this cannot be undone. So once you've done it, that's it. It's all done. Now full service is completed. So if I switch the ignition off, take the keys out, switch the ignition back on all the way, you'll see in the middle now, no information displayed. So that's brilliant. So what I do now is press left the arrow button, go down to service, go down to assist plus to see when's the next service due. So the next service is in 365 days, that's service A. That's all you had to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please leave us a message below, drop us a comment below, and we'll try helping you as much as we can. And if you've got a slightly newer E-Class Mercedes and it's got a slightly different steering wheel, exactly same procedure again, press the call and OK button, key position 1, press the call and OK button. That should do the trick. And do check out the playlist. We do have a playlist for Mercedes, and we do have a playlist for service reset as well. Do check them out, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.